viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video on my channel. And in this video we're going to be doing a summer juice video. So I have my cucumber, some ginger, and I have some, don't mind them, I have them for a while sitting down just looking at it. Alright, first things first, let's get into the video. I'm going to be cutting up my cucumber. I'm not going to really take off the skin because you're gonna need that. I was thinking about taking out the seeds. Should I? Okay, let's get down into this. Alright, so I'm gonna be making a cucumber, pineapple, and strawberry drinks. But I'm just gonna start off first by blending up my cucumbers. So let's get in there. It's gonna be a very short video. Let's combine that. Ooh. Now I could remove the seed. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna cut a piece of ginger to add to that. I'm gonna eat. So here I'm cutting up my ginger. Then really peel it because I'm gonna strain it afterwards. So here I have my cucumber, adding my ginger. Now we're gonna add some water to my NutriBullet. We add it to the water line. And now let's go blend. So I'm ensuring that my NutriBullet is properly closed. I'm gonna put it on. This is so handy, guys. And let's blend. Prepare for sound. This is just the cucumber blended with ginger. I'm just going to strain it off for now before let's go. Let's try it. Wow, that's a lot of rough edge.